My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. This is your Iqbal sir. I hope all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. May Allah save us from this coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe. Today I'll give a lecture on work, power and energy. At first we will discuss about the work. So at first we have to know what is work and work done. Look at the first figure. This man is working. Well, he is going to office to work, as it may seem. Look at the second figure. Here this man pushing the stationary wall with a force, and force is exerted to the right, but no distance moved. Is this guy working? Yes, he seems to push the wall, but no, he is not working. To know why he is not working, let's know a few things about work and work done. Physics concept of work. Work is done only when a constant force applied on an object causes the object to move in the same direction as the force applied. Here, work is done only when a constant force applied on object causes the object to move in the same direction as the force applied. Here, in this object, a constant force is exerted to the right. If there is a displacement in the right direction, then work will be done. So, work is said to be done when a force acts on an object and the object is displaced in the direction of force. The definition of work will be: the work done on an object is the product of the force applied and the displacement. That is, work done equal to force into displacement. Now, work done is denoted by W and force by F and displacement by S. Then the equation for work done will be W equal to F into S. The unit of work is joule. Now we have to know what is joule. If force, that is F, is 1 Newton and displacement, that is S, is 1 meter, then work done is 1 Newton meter or 1 joule. So 1 joule is the amount of work done. 1 joule is the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton displaces an object by 1 meter. 1 Newton force displaces an object by 1 meter. For example, if force of 5 Newton acts on an object is displaced through 2 meter in the direction of force, then work done is 5 Newton into 2 meter, that is 10 Newton meter or 10 joule. Here this formula comes from applying this equation, W equal to Fs. Here the value of force is 5 Newton. The value of force is 5 Newton and the value of S, that is displacement, equal to 2 meter. Then 5 into 2 meter equal to 10 Newton meter or 10 joule. The work done by a force may be positive or negative. The work done by a force may be positive or negative. Work done by a force is positive. When it will be positive? If the force and displacement are in same direction. Force and displacement are acting in same direction, and the work done by a force is negative when force and displacement in opposite direction. when force and displacement are in opposite direction. The work done by a force is 0. The work done by a force is 0 if there is no displacement. If there is no displacement, then work done is 0. Okay, see the first figure. Here this man pushing the stationary wall, but no distance moved, that is there is no displacement. So we can say that there is no work is done here because there is no displacement. Okay, in this equation, if displacement is 0, then work done equal to 0. That's why work done is 0 if there is no displacement. Work done by a force is also 0 if the force is perpendicular to the displacement. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then work done is also 0. That is, work done is 0 in two cases. When? If there is no displacement or force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Okay. For more, see the second video.